I want a small house like that. One for you, one for me. So you are other in the other side and I'm the other side. Right? Oh, so ay, that's so nice. Oh my god. There's a bed, two bed.
Well, yeah, that can be made into. Well, yeah.
Oh, there's a heater also here?
Oh, yeah. Heater,
Really?
radio.
Oh my god, this is so cute. Did you make this?
No, the Amish made it
Oh,
down in Sydney.
oh really?
But Theody's niece and nephews come up here and spend a week.
Oh really?
It's all 90 pounds.
So you put some heater and insulator. You close the door.
Yeah, it's all insulated.
Insulated. Oh, it's so nice. Only bathroom, bidang bathroom.
Those are handmade. The hams they do
Really?
very good.
Hamis? Hamis? What's a
Those
hamis?
are like a Jewish people.
Ah.
Those are the
Amish,
one.
they're
That's why
from Pennsylvania.
that's
The
why
one in
it looks
Pennsylvania,
like
the one-
this because the design is outside like that. Oh, if I make that one,
So
I
what did you just pick this thing up or did they deliver?
They delivered it.
deliver like
They
this.
delivered. They brought a load of gravel first.
Yeah.
So it's already done. Then they put.
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah.
all done.
Oh, very nice.
And
Those
they
are-
brought it in on a trailer. It was
So
all.
nice.
They made out of what they call everything is no power tool. They just by hand.
Yeah, I don't know if they. But they had electric and everything. They just had to run a line from the house. So.
But if I will be the one to design, I make it that one flat, but it's no longer the design outside is not nice. But I
No,
wanna
the roof
make.
is right there.
Yeah, that's the roof.
Side, that's the roof.
But that one it can be used as a putting the things inside.
No, that's the roof right there.
That's the roof. You go outside and look at it again.
Yeah, that's why I told you if I do the design, that roof should be,
Yeah.
you know. But this is cute. It's so cute. Two
Yeah.
bedrooms.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So this is nice for animal for you.
Yeah. Some of them use them for hunting cabin like that. It was 12,000. What here?
So nice. I said that it was a little house. It's so cute. It's another
Yeah,
garage.
it's basically just a
It's
suite.
really house.
Yeah.
It's a room. Oh, very nice. There are two beds.
But see, she got all Nemi stuff. Oh, I told her get rid of that. Tell people take what they want.
It's gonna stuck there. It goes like that. That's why. It's how many meters that one? How many feet that one? I guess that is only 6 meters by 3 in 1/2. Yeah, I know you use inches, but for me, I'd rather use meters. I use meters. I think that's 6 by 4. 6 meters by 4. So 6 times 3. 6 times is 3 point something. 6 times 3 it's 18 plus or so 20 by 10. Beautiful inside.
Gotta be really
So cute. I like it. We don't need to. We have to buy only a lot. And one house like that is
I just told you there's a
okay.
10 acre over there on top of the mountain by Downsville before we get here.
Yeah.
Really?
So,
How much?
I don't know. It's 10 acres.
Yeah.
Say 10 acres for sale.
Really?